We call them breasts on this channel.
It's more kid friendly.
Titties.
Breasts. Anything else is racist and sexist against all women in America.
Oh my.
No! You jumped it out! Today, we're cooking advanced recipes as a challenge, and also science and education. What are we cooking, Peter?
Baked Alaska. America's hottest cold dessert.
Where's my hat? You had my hat all along.
That'll help me, if anything. It's organic.
No, it's not.
Now thinking
What was that?
the stuff.
Are you gay? As you saw from the title and thumbnail, we are advanced chefs, but we aren't at all. So therefore, if we do an advanced cooking challenge, it will not be good, but maybe entertaining. Today we're going to be using the power of education to teach you and ourselves how to cook. What are we going to cook, Peter?
I don't know. What are we gonna cook, Ashton?
No, what are we going to cook, Peter?
Baked Alaska. America's delicacy.
This is what Baked Alaska looks like. It's, I don't know. But we do have a recipe from Food Network, and we're gonna both cook it and teach you along the journey. That is a sentence that doesn't make sense.
I thought we were just nuking Alaska.
That is not a funny joke.
New rule! No recipe! We can only look at pictures.
We only saw the picture.
Only Google Images pictures. Throw up the picture now. We have 1 hour to make the Baked Alaska. Only based off of pictures. We'll be teaching you about cooking because we're master chefs. Hey Google, start a timer for 1 hour.
1 hour. Starting now.
Go, go, go. While the ice cream's fine.
Okay, lesson 1. This is called a KitchenAid Professional 600. It does stuff. Cooking lesson. It looks like a basic paper plate, followed by a layer of pound cake, then by a layer of ice cream, then a layer of wafers, followed by ice cream, all different flavors, and then burnt whipped cream that you have to make, I'm assuming, because we got egg whites.
How did you know to get these ingredients?
Camera. I got this plate. I got this plate. This is gonna be the base of our Baked Alaska.
This bowl is gonna be my base.
Okay, step 1. Get out your pound cake, aka the best stripper name ever. Okay, get out your pound cake. I'm getting a big whiff of nothing, and I think that's good. Oh, whoa, whoa, holy I almost forgot the number 1 rule. Weed soap. Okay, actual step 1. You want the bottom layer of pound cake.
You know how I like my strippers? Moist and delicious.
Can I steal that joke, please?
Why can't I say it in the video?
Fine, we'll blur your face and we'll say it's me.
You don't have to blur it.
When I glue my face over
Yeah,
you.
put a filter over his face and you.
The smartest people in the world say real architects build from the ground up. That's exactly what I'm doing, and I thought of that myself. Take your serrated blade and cut your pound cake down the middle.
Mine is already better. Look at this.
You better blur that out. So look, I'm pressing the pound cake. You gotta press the sweet and moist pound cake. Now, you know I used the serrated blade before. Now I'm gonna use the classic good old...
I just said sweet.
So you wanna cut a perfect circle.
See, this is how a real smart person would do it. Look at the form of a cake.
Now, you're gonna take your wafers. These things are wafers, I think. Now you wanna layer it.
Ashton,
I forgot.
I'll watch you burn.
Good. Now you can see I got my layer of pound cake, my layer of wafers. Now, again, as I taught you, press. You wanna take chocolate classic ice cream. Is that a voice cracker? Maybe you shouldn't talk and then they wouldn't happen. Well, are you gonna show them how you're making it?
Reese is focusing on you and your
This is called a Ziploc bag. You put your chocolate ice cream in there and you wanna make it a paste. Cause stock ice cream, way too hard. Now once it's mushy, you can put on like a flat layer.
This is the moment we've been waiting for.
I'm sick of this attitude, Peter.
Who has the knife in the relationship?
Have you ever played jousting?
Have you ever had a knife fight? I'll cut your hand.
Okay, now you take your bowl and you take all of the ice cream. Chocolate. Shut up! Okay, now you take your bottom layer, put it in the freezer. Okay, let's just take a couple more things out of the freezer. I don't know what this is, but it looks nasty. Okay, you put it in the freezer and we'll be back in 1 minute when I make the egg whip. Okay, it's been 2 hours and our cakes are frozen. Now,
We're ready to make.
Hey, you don't, we're against each other.
I
Right?
know.
Yeah.
So why are you talking to me?
Listen, I got my mixer thingy and I'm going.
Sorry, is this bothering you?
Yeah, it is.
Good.
We have egg whites and sugar, so therefore I think 1 cup of egg whites, 1 cup of sugar. Peter, explain what you're doing too.
I'm using the right kind of sugar to make this because Ashton's stupid and doesn't know how to do anything ever, and his cake sucks.
Okay, 1 spruce of vanilla, and a little birdie told me to use powdered sugar. 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Now that you have your floof mixture, you want to take your convenient mixer that Peter doesn't have because he's an idiot, and turn it on. We'll be right back after the break. And just like that, you got your whipped topping. Okay, while Peter's being a dummy dumb, my cake the base and get out the topping. Now here's a key trick. Get hot water. You want to thaw the dang it. Okay, now that you warmed up your ice cream, you want to take it and plop it on. I'm gonna get a really hot towel. It's burning me. Warm her up.
Let's see if it peaks. Nope, needs more.
Okay, take this, cut around the outside. She's free.
Oh, okay.
Now this is where you have to act quick. Act quick.
Quickly.
Okay, ready? Steady. You have it on. Now you gotta get down and dirty.
Down and dirty.
Oh shoot.
Peter's looks so much better.
Final step. Act quick. Act quick. No pressure. You want to get your food torch. Spin it. Spin it. Let the big erection freeze for 10 to 15 minutes.
I'm gonna assume that tastes like a burnt marshmallow.
You wanna try it?
You don't know how much I resent you right now.
Because I'm better at it than you?
No,
Like
I know.
everything.
Just because you're better at cooking than me doesn't mean you're straight. So get that out of your mind right now.
You're the one with on their face.
The big features is it's huge and it took 3 cartons of ice cream, so therefore it's good. It looks delicious. I have our judge, Colin, who's gonna be judging my massive honky. Let's go in for the cross section. Oh, look at the coloring, pink inside. Now,
Oh, looks good.
okay, now we got mint green. We call this cake American size. Take your huge spatula, get it under there, and lift. Cross section of the massive honky. Look at that. Tell me that is not good. Judge, do your
I'm
job.
gonna try and get all of it in there. There's no pound cake. Oh, but that's okay. This is gonna be a big bite.
Can.
How is it? How is
I
it?
mean, it's good.
Do you
Okay.
actually like it?
Sherbet and chocolate does not go together at all.
Try a vanilla chunk. Okay, guys, mine is. It's good.
This is clearly the winner. Let's get a cut. I'm hit it way better because you start from the top and you work your way down. It's the smart way to do it. Clean cut dinner for 4 homeless men, and it's obviously a winner. Define layers. Let's give it a taste test.
Look at all the
She's
layers.
eating it off the fork.
That's pretty good. So Ashton's doesn't really have layers. It's like in different sections which flavor ice cream you get. Peter's has very defined layers, and his obviously looks better. Can you not?
Tell me what to do.
Dumb flavor wise, they're both kind of Peter won
Because it's better.
because of obvious reason.
You know what, homeless people? Take it.